What Chester looks for is to reach the number one position in the low tech market. For us, our customers are our priority. Therefore, we want to offer the best items. A product that is affordable, simple, high quality, and reliable. The first 3 years were full of challenges, with many lessons to learn as part of our learning curve. Through consulting, we were able to overcome a vicious cycle that did not allow us to achieve our true mission. After year 5, the improvement was notorious, especially on the customer awareness. Living our mission statement increased at year 9 to a value of 7 out of 10.
Group process. We meet twice a week as a team in order to discuss the necessary decisions to ensure that our products are affordable for our consumers. For that reason, we had made some adjustments to our production cost and to the price of our products. One of the issues that we have faced in the round 1 to 3 was that our reports show emergency loan. During the first round, the emergency loan was for $5,518. In the second round, for $2,839, and during the third round, for $22,278. Thanks to the change and adjustment that we made through those rounds, we were able to perform round 4 without emergency loan.
As a strategy, our job for the next 4 years is to produce relevant information for specific segments of the company's products, tasks, plans, or activities. Make better decisions in the coming years because of the growth of the market. You must multiply the fast track demand for unit last year by the growth rate of each year, remembering that low prices grow around 10% and low prices grow around 20%. We also want to continue with the strategy of the combination of our performance and size expectations, in which we know that our customers expect products to be smaller and faster every year. Additional competitive edge investments in our sector, creating new low and high price products. We want several products and many strategies to grow in our market, share grow. We are going to focus on several markets segments. In this case, research and development in new potential products, finding the best price for this product, and taking our profits to create more product and therefore create more dividends. Many companies compete for the same clients, so our challenge in these 4 years is to design marketing programs that make them stand out from others to differentiate their offer in their market.
Our focus on the low-tech market has allowed us to maintain lower costs for development while consistently increasing our market share. Each product has taken a larger market share each year we have been active, and we expect to be the major supplier with a total of 40 to 45% market share within 10 years. Because of the wide variations in the low-tech segment, we did not have a single standout competitor. Um, Digby had the highest single product market share for many of the last 8 years, but Chester has consistently increased our overall market share. Because we have always had several products in the market and always had them in the low tech market, We have had a larger overall market share than any other single company since year 7.
For our forecast for the last round, we looked for a trend in the last few rounds. We really started to see a positive trend after round 6, which ended us up about $60 million in sales. Following that, we saw an increase of sales at an average of about $21 million per round. So with that trend, we predict $123,525,914 in the last round. Using similar methods, we calculated trends for each of these ratios for a forecast of round 9. We forecasted a return of sales of 7.4%, return on assets of 9%, a return on equity of 20%, an asset turnover of 1.69, a market share of 90%, and a final stock price of $26.21.
We have suggested a few changes that need to be made over the next 4 years. These changes include products, market segments, capacity, and finance. For products, we suggest increasing our performance and production in our low-tech markets to make the best possible products our customers can afford. In our market segments, we plan to increase our promo budget by about $400,000 and continue our sales budget of about $2 million to increase our customer base. We plan to increase capacity per product line to increase sales and profits. Finally, we want to increase on recruiting spending and training hours and retire stock to increase our total retained earnings to about 65%.